Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about my progress about the last video I uploaded, the third person shooter, and this video going to show and explain you for short about what I have done yet. The first thing I've done is move slow. To move slow of this character, you can press right click on your mouse. Okay, move around and pressing right click. When you leave right click, the character runs. And another one is camera collision. You move your mouse like this, the camera move close to the character. This is the basic I've done. It's not complex to do that. If you get this blend file format, you can change whatever you want. The first thing you can change, if you want to change about the camera view, when camera collision, you can see these keyframes between 11 to 15. Okay, let's fix it like this. Okay, when I want to fix to a new position, just don't forget to insert keyframe. Okay, now we have done move location and rotation. Just don't forget to keyframe about both of them. And move timeline pin to number 1 like this. Okay, let's see. This time I can see character more clearly than that. Okay, let's have a little the logic I used. When you want to know about the logic I use about camera collision, just click on this camera. Now you can see in logic break, you can see sensor ray and go to actuator action. Actuator action is about this keyframe that I completely fixed it. And important you need to know about this action, I have said about the type of action is flipper. Flipper it looks like when the sensor negative, this action will return automatically. Okay, just see this. If I use play and move close a wall, now you can see this is the result. But if I change to flipper, this is the result. The action start the frame 11 to 15. Now it still do that. When I move out of the wall, the action will play start with 15 to 11. Okay, you can use this feature of actuator is very useful for me. Okay, now you know about camera collision. And another one about action move slow, move fast. Sorry, I used a wrong word. I use talking. It doesn't mean that. I'm sorry about that. Let's see about the way I use move slow and move fast. I want you to know about this logic. Begin with this amateur. I have created a variable on this amateur name status to keep a data like a character, a char, a text. Okay, look at this logic break. When I press right button on my mouse, the amateur will save the data call run. When I'm not this NAND controller, when I'm not click, right click, the data change to stalking. And this is the expression controller I made. Now you can see and you can understand easily. Basically, it shows you when you press W or S or A or D, when the status is run, it goes to show action and motion, something like that. It's very easy to understand. You can get it right. Okay, see you later. Bye.